You want to get smarter every single day. It's not about luck, it is about habits. Your brain is a muscle that needs exercise. But first, we need to clear the fog. Too much junk info slows you down. Let's start with some fresh water. Your brain is mostly water, remember that. Next, move your body to wake it up. Blood flow helps you think much clearer. Now, let's feed it the right fuel. Sugary snacks make your brain feel sleepy. Healthy fats are like magic for focus. See, your brain loves good food. But food is just one small part. Let's try a simple thinking game. Try to solve a puzzle right now. It feels hard at first, that is good. Struggle means your brain is growing. Reading a book is also powerful. It builds deep focus and imagination. Just 10 pages a day is enough. Avoid the endless doom scrolling trap. It steals your time and your focus. Put the phone down for 1 hour. Use that time to learn a skill. Your brain builds connections when you learn. What about memory? Can we fix it? Try to remember your grocery list. Don't write it down, just remember it. This small exercise strengthens your recall. Names are hard to remember, right? Repeat a name 3 times when you meet. It locks the name into your memory. Sleep is when the cleaning happens. Your brain flushes out toxins while you rest. 7 to 8 hours is the sweet spot. A tired brain is a slow brain. So prioritize rest like it is your job. Now, let's talk about focus. Can you stare at this dot for long? Focus is like a muscle. Train it. Try working in short, deep bursts. 25 minutes of work, then rest. This is called the Pomodoro technique. It keeps your mind fresh and sharp. Multitasking is a big fat lie. You just switch tasks very quickly. Do one thing at a time instead. You will finish faster, believe me. Learning a new language is amazing. It creates new pathways in your mind. Even just 5 words a day helps. Music also boosts your brain power. Playing an instrument is like a full workout. It uses both sides of your brain. Don't worry if you are not musical. Just listening to classical music can help. It sets a calm, focused mood. What about your social life? Talking to people keeps you sharp. Deep conversations challenge your thinking, so call a friend and chat today. Boredom is actually very useful. It lets your mind wander and create. Don't fill every quiet moment. Let your brain just breathe sometimes. Go for a walk with no music. Notice the small things around you. This resets your entire mental state. Gratitude is also a brain booster. Thinking positive lowers your stress. Write down one good thing daily. It rewires your brain for happiness. Now, let's talk about exercise. Cardio is great for memory. It floods your brain with good chemicals. Just 20 minutes is all you need. You don't need a gym membership. A quick walk outside works perfectly. Sunlight also gives you vitamin D. This vitamin is crucial for mood, so step outside when you can. We covered a lot of tips today, but you can't do them all at once. Pick just one small habit to start. Master that one, then add another. Consistency beats intensity every time. Show up for your brain every day, even on days you don't feel like it. Those are the days that count most. Imagine your brain 6 months from now. It will be faster and sharper, all because of the small steps today. You have the power to change it, so start right now, this very second. Your brighter future begins today.